Hello, my name is Taryn Vinson, and this is my Prezi presentation. The title of my Prezi is The Daycare That Puts Your Child First. This is how to improve your child's daycare experience for Curriculum and Instruction Class 6320, Technology and Learning Environments for Fall 2020. The first slide we will go to in the survey is the next one that says Take Survey ASAP. Yes, this survey was created for instant feedback to give to the child's daycare. So the parents or guardian of the child can let the daycare know how they feel their relationships with them are through the child's development, so and through the relationship the that the facility that the facility gives with the parents. What are can we be built better? Is there satisfaction? How the parents think of the resources, and how is the communication from the student to parent and to the staff? The survey emphasizes the cohesiveness between all three parts in the child's life. The next sticky note is fly kites. Don't forget to cite. The questions were formulated from a partnership between parents from an actual facility and from Google's suggestions and from my own mind. There were key points in that I wanted to cover during the partnership. The Google recommendations very much helped with that, but also reading over this particular article from Drugly and Udium, these I formulated a few questions from the survey to help me further explain the point that I wanted to get to. Morning announcements, the process to communication. The the survey itself will be open and has still been open if people wanted to use their responses. I have actually been using it in my previous workplace. So it has been an ongoing survey result that I've been sharing with my bosses. It is anonymous, but giving it to these particular parents, from their responses which are from outside sources of the job and which are the inside sources. I have also sent the survey out through multiple places, through Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, email, text message. So far in these results, only 12 people had replied, but that was a few weeks ago. With updated results, it could be a lot different. These pie charts represent the results that are from my actual survey. Just a few particular questions. The first one on the left, the first pie chart asks, how satisfied are you with the school's resources? That comes from a number of things. If you are not, um, feedback from face to face is probably the best result to get an actual resource change, but this just lets the facility know that parents have an idea of what their resources are, of what their opinions are, letting the parents and the staff know that they do care about how they are viewed in other people's eyes. Another is, are you satisfied or dissatisfied with the facility? How respectful are the teachers and staff at the facility? What are some weaknesses of the facility? How much has the school improved your child's confidence? And how comfortable do you feel talking about your teachers' problems that your child is having? So this not only shows the academic, but the social development, the emotional development, looking further than just seeing their test results and whatnot. Yes, the results conclude that most guardians in the daycare do feel as if that they do communicate, but there has been few instances with particular children where they felt as if the daycare should have reached out more and put in more of an effort to let them know who was holding the staff that's held accountable, where were they, more follow-up questions and more detailing experiences that parents wish that the staff could communicate. But that is also building blocks that the staff can now work on through this survey that they would not have known without this educational survey. These are the two sources that I use to create my survey that we are speaking on today. Now, this YouTube video in particular is really uh, got my attention because this shows different ways that the staff and facilities can communicate to parents with just a simple electronic notification instead of having to have the rundown at the end of the day, taking notes, jotting down, trying to remember every single particular student, every single thing that they did. These electronic ways, especially Brightwheel, lets you have updates. You can send pictures, videos, let you input their lunchtime, nap time, what they ate, what time they ate, when they went outside. It's very easy way to communicate from the staff's point of view to the parents instead of trying to pile up what they did and just interpreting that with other students. You can give them that individual, you can give every parent that individual satisfaction that they know what their child is doing during the day. Yes, and this assignment was actually my favorite so far. It was really fun making a survey in the mind of that I wanted feedback as a boss to see what my staff and what the parents that I'm treating, how they feel about the things that I'm doing at the facility, what we can do to collaborate on if the child is getting the best treatment here. Are the teachers and the staff helping them, or is it going further than just a drop off relationship? Um, I wish I could go in more in depth to a more particular place, more like a workplace, so I can have customized questions about lunch, drop off snacks, and virtual schooling now that COVID has happened in 2020. So if I did get to do this again, I would definitely want to go more in depth with my questions, just so I can have some more open ended, more curated questions to get a better survey results. So, yes, that is the end of my Prezi. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching this. It's been a pleasure explaining how the daycare can put your child first and how a survey can show those results. I hope you have a wonderful day.